Hi everyone, it's Gail, and I'm here with July 18th, hashtag Jelly Postcard Play, the challenge by Ceri the Crafter. So here is our postcard today, and we are going to get started. This is the jelly print that I've chosen for this one, and we've got a little bird theme going on today. I've got a bird quote from, I believe it's Dairy Barn Art that I have all those from. And it says, birds teach a great life lesson. All you have to do is listen to their song. Isn't that pretty? So I'm going to give that a little bit of an edge. Give this birdie that has the purple from the jelly print, so we're just going to add him on there. Okay, and the 18th I'm going to put right there. Right down the side there. And the bird is going to go somewhere in there. I think we could do something like that. Okay. There is our little, looks like he needs a little bit more toning down there. Okay, and just put our little bird just so his whatever crown doesn't cover up our quote. Okay, there we go. July 18th is done. Thanks for being here. Have a grateful day. Be kind always, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.